Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you the Butterfly Brilliance Collection that's just been released from Stampin' Up! It includes the Butterfly Brilliance stamp. This is one single stamp. And then there are the Brilliant Wings dies. So you've got this single die that cuts out the entire group of butterflies here. I guess it would be better if I turned that over. They're not shown full size here on the front of the stamp case. So you've got these dies and then some of the smaller ones and three detail pieces, and then you've got these great little frilly wings to go. You can purchase these separately or as a bundle, and of course when you bundle you receive a 10% discount. And then we have the Butterfly Bijou designer paper. This is a pack of 6x6 and they're 48 sheets. They're double-sided, of course, and let's just flip these over so that you can see all the pretty designs and colors. And there are 6 double-sided sheets, which means that there are 8 of each of these sheets in the 48 pack. And then look at this neat little detail. The Brilliant Wings die fits right over the designer paper and cuts out all of the butterflies on that sheet, giving you another option of a way to use them. And then also in this collection of products is the Natural Touch specialty paper. This is a 12 by 12 and you get the wood grain on this side and this kind of mango melody paint, really fine paint texture on this side. Now the Butterfly Bijou designer paper will only be available through the end of April. Once the new Stampin' Up! Annual catalog launches, this paper will no longer be available. The stamps and dies will, and then please take a look at the class that I am offering this month, March 2021, using these new sneak peek products. Thanks for stopping in. Give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited as I am about these new butterfly products. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And if you're in the United States, please do some of your Stampin' Up! Product shopping in my store. You can find a link for that below. Have a great day. Bye.